taas na.
Pero this one helps you to
Ay,
go
yeah.
forward.
It really helps you.
Yeah. Ngayon po may mobility scooter na po kayo. Paano siya naka-help in your everyday lifestyle?
It helped me so much.
So much.
And then, nadadagdagan yung ano ko, yung...
Do you think you're more productive
Of course.
using the mobility scooter?
Yeah.
That's what
Especially my case.
Yeah. With our service, since you're here po to fix some problems with your mobility scooter, what can you say about our service from the moment you bought
Oh, this one.
and up until now? Now we have after sales service.
Very accommodative ang mga employees, and then I can rate it with almost 100%. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And
for
then,
that.
ang galing pa nga, nag-offer pa kayo ng free water and some and candies or what.
Mhm.
Very, hospitable.
Thank you, madam. To the future buyers and people who's planning to buy mobility scooter, electric wheelchair, or travel scooter, what can you say to them, or how will you recommend us to them?
To promote the product,
I mean,
I
like,
should always say na very good performance, and then
do you think we're trusted enough to serve a good mobility aid for the one who needs?
yes,
Thank you
very
so-
true.
Yeah, thank you so much, madam.
Thank
We
you.
have small